got bad feelings about my Messerschmitt today.
Oh,
yeah.
New power system in it, haven't you?
Yeah, I've uprated. What do they call it? Upgrade, that's the one.
Yeah.
That's a nice dog. Yeah, I've upgraded it, so see what happens.
Make sure the field's empty.
I will do. Okay, then we want to give it a little bit of up.
Okay.
Start off slow, then build it up, and then punch it.
You have to talk me round then.
Okay. Ooh, nice one. Hey, yeah.
What?
That's good.
Right, might need a little tiny bit of trimming, Alex. It's new radio.
Oh, Tyrannus, isn't it? Haven't heard it speaking to you yet.
No, I've got it set in Charlie mode, so.
Oh, good.
Start doing anything stupid.
I better get me crash bag.
Where's that going?
I better get me crash bag then. It's not banging it about a bit in the wind.
Yeah, it's
see it.
windy. It's pretty windy.
Okay, nice and steady. Give a little bit of throttle on. Not too much. Not too little. Oh, whoa, where's that going? Whoa! There you go, bloody Nora. Oh, nicely done.
Yep.
Nice. How's it worry you?
Quite windy, you know.
At the moment.
Windy,
Yeah. That worried me for a minute.
That probably 12 mile an hour.
I was heading straight from my head then, Chris. Did you panic?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did as well.
I nearly fell over.
I think you could fly that.
Nah, my brother could.
You can't keep saying he's better than you. Otherwise you're going to grow up with an inferiority complex.
Yeah, we're going to have to try and pull him off today, Alex. There's all these people saying he's tops.
Yeah, he's the man.
Top bloke. And all
Top
this
bloke, he's the man.
We're going to have to do something, haven't we?
Yeah, I don't know, do something. Yeah, that's it.
His beard.
When he takes off, I'll pull his beard. It's not a big one, is it?
No, about 3/4. After 3/4, Charlie. What up? Yeah, baby. Oh, Charlie. Oh, it's a dream, though, isn't it? It is an absolute dream, Alex. Seriously. Dreamboat fatty.
Look at that.
Oh.
Hey,
now we're in.
look at that, Chris.
You flying?
Yeah.
Right, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
That's.
Right then, you can up the throttle a bit if you want. And, you know,
Okay.
absolutely fantastic. Okay, right you are.
Clear field.
Yeah, clear field, so you'll be all right.
I'll express myself.
Oh no, I thought we were going for a day without incidents.
I am, yeah.
Yeah.
It's flying really good, isn't it?
We'll try one of them days. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Chris.
Oh,
It's always a moment, isn't there? No matter what happens, there is always a moment. Oh shit.
sorry, gents.
Yeah, it was a good save, yeah. I don't know if he saved my pants or not though, Charlie. I think they're long gone. I think they're for the bin. Bloody Nora. Right, very good, Charlie. This is great stuff, this. Gotta be honest with you. Nice bit of wing flying. Great wings, aren't they? Oof. Is he going to catch it today? No. How's about that though? How's about that though? Hey?
Got your thumbs in today.
Got your thumbs are well in today.
What are you going to the park? More clear. There you go. There she goes. That's it. That's it. Hey, goggles are on it.
Pretty good.
FPV.
Young D.
That's
Right.
the famous thumbs.
That's it. Coming about over us now, is that right?
Throw out slow, can't
Yeah. That's it. It's climbing just a little bit. And away she goes. That's nice. That's it. Oh, where's that going? That's it, you might. That's it, you might. Nice one. Just say it. Nice one. That's it, it's scary, isn't it? When you got. Oh, hello, and how you doing?
You can't see the people till you're fairly close.
Yeah.
You can see them there now, but you can't pick them out brilliantly on there.
Yeah.
Until you're quite close to
Yeah.
them. I didn't realise they were there until right at the last minute.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at the ground. And right, so
They was right in your flight path every single time. Right in your flight path.
Right.
I don't know.
Pull it off, Charlie.
Oh, Z's here, look. trying to dodge the camera and the block. Hey! Oh dear, what happened there?
Who are you?
Oh, yeah. I've never tried that move before. Hey, this could be the day when my thumbs are better than ZZ's.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, and they'll be raving, oh, Charlie's great and ZZ's crap. And I think the pressure's got to him. He's off. Bad. Not bad, Mark. Let him go, look.
Very good, Z's, very good. Are you flying any good? How are your thumbs today?
Alright.
How's that beard going for you? Surely the flip it.
No, I am.
If you could flip that, you'd be in a different division than me. You'd be up there with the greats.
Champions League, wouldn't it?
Champions League, where
Yeah.
I mean, you did the Vauxhall Conference.
Yeah,
that
was ZZ, and now we've got a monkey. Can you top that, Charlie? I reckon you can. He didn't go that high, you see, did he, Charlie? So,
No, he didn't actually.
and he didn't land on your roof either, did he?
Did I land on my roof?
Oh, you will though, won't you?
Did I?
That's what you said earlier.
Did I?
Don't know, can't remember. Was it a dream?
It's probably a dream.
What have you got a cable tie?
I'm going to just, one knee's a bit wibbly wobbly, so I'm going to just bang a cable tie over.
Oh, right,
What do
okay.
you
Oh,
reckon?
no, actually, no. You did have a moment, didn't you?
Did I?
You nearly killed us.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
He
did.
nearly killed us, didn't he?
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, that wasn't good, was it? That wasn't the best.
No, any time you apologise when you're flying, it's not usually very good. Is it? Sorry about that.
That's how I apologise. I nearly took your head off in a sport.
Yeah, last time I apologised, I nearly took some bloke's head off. I think I did take his head off, didn't
Yeah,
I?
you did, yeah.
Did Andy do this?
No, he didn't, no.
Oh.
Well, he did. He went, try to get through there, and he hit
Crashed
the
it.
post.
Crashed it to smithereens.
Yep.
The only trouble here, Alex, is you haven't got a beard. Is it going to make any difference, I wonder?
Let's find
Got
out.
a monkey's head, though.
Got a monkey's head.
Here we go. Yeah, baby.
Oh, maybe I don't know if I got the slope level on.
Drop it in then, drop it in, Alex. Drop it down.
Yeah, I got it on.
Have you?
Yes. Must have been the last thing I messed with.
Okay, that's flying lovely.
Yeah.
Come on then, back this way a bit and do some nice round and round flying.
Is there anybody on the park? Is there one on the park?
No, park's all clear. Two ladies to your left. So have a bit of a hovering session first then, so here we go. It's good stuff so far, Alex.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, good stuff.
It's better than Andy.
So far, it's close, isn't it? He's concentrating his bloody monkey's head off here. Oh, this is great stuff, Charlie. This is top draw, I'm not joking, top banana. Look at the state, look at him go! You've got to say, now come on, He's got this. Charlie, this is amazing. What the hell's happened? What did you have for breakfast today? Hey? Do you get 3 thumbs in your cornflakes or something? You only get a toy, you get some thumbs in there or something. Bloody hell! What the hell's going on? Charlie, this is exceptional. ZZ's very quiet. What do you reckon, Z's? Hey? He ain't happy. I'll tell you what, he ain't happy.
It's good.
Bloody hell, Charlie. This is gonna, you know this is going to give you a headache, don't you?
Oh, shit.
Oh. Go fly to the end.
Alex, I was doing it about 30 seconds before that. He said, come on, Alex, bring it in. You've bit while you're ahead and you've absolutely smashed it to pieces.
Did you just switch off or was it on?
No, my brain was there and everything was
Just
going.
too far away, wasn't it?
I just
But I reckon that is by far and away your best quad flight ever, by miles as well, by a long shot. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. 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 Oh, 2 snapped, Alex.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Look at the state of that.
That is crunched. Absolutely smashed to smithereens.
How many is that? Christ almighty.
Don't forget your monkey, look.
Yeah, well done. Well done, Chris. Yeah. He survived.
That's it.
Oh,
Bad luck, Alex.
Smash it.
Why didn't I say it?
I don't know.
I don't know. I just don't know either. I was trying to get you through the day without any crashing.
It didn't last long, did it?
No.
Second flight.
And then you got the Messerschmitt next.
Oh. Messerschmitt.
Oh dear. Oh well. Alex or nay? Yay or nay?
I'm gonna go with a nay.
I'm going to try a nay.
I think his looks gonna run out.
Yeah, I reckon he's going to lose the
Lose the
thumbs. Chris?
Nay.
Nay. 3 nays. Z's. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Yeah.
See, it's time to crash.
Oh dear. Whoa. You going? What about the pilot? Yes.
Yeah.
Yay. Well, okay. So.
With me, well, you know what I do about that? I put a slightly smaller, but with a bigger pitch on it. Bigger pitch.
Now you've been reading books, have you? Technically, yeah. Chimpickle. Chimpickle.
Because they ain't got much of a pitch on now, has it? What do you do, Mark?
Flies alright. Flies alright.
Yeah.
It is, you know, if it's not doing any harm, it's alright. Okay, and what can we expect from this flight, young Andrew?
Just a normal.
Just some normal flying.
Yeah. You ready then?
Yep.
Once you are, here we go. Wallop! That's how you wallop it, and
Wallop.
plop. Yeah, baby. Very good, those Z's. Very good. I don't know. He might be alright. Might be alright. Here we go. He's going to do it as well, isn't he? No.
Very good.
Yeah. Excellent hand. Excellent.
Did he catch it as well? That was.
Yeah, I reckon his throwing and catching, it could be his weak link.
Yeah.
That could be the weak link in the pie.
In the pie.
in the ZZ flying pie. You know the pie chart. It's 98% green, and that red bit for the throwing and the catching, I reckon could be a bit ropey. So everybody's got a weakness, haven't they, Charlie?
Yeah, I'm sure mine is. Yeah.
No, yours. I don't know. No.
Everything.
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 Yeah. Even when we managed to get it taken off the floor last time, the old BF 110,
Yeah.
it didn't quite have enough power, did it? So you've banged in a couple of cheeky,
Look at them buggers.
couple of 28, 26, 2,200 kV motors
Beautiful, aren't they?
with some nice big, bloody hell,
7x4,
7x. Oh, that's okay. 7x4.5. Yeah.
Yep. Good.
Bloody hell, should have some wellies, shouldn't it? Slightly bigger wheels as well.
Yeah.
What'd they come off?
Can't remember.
Oh, did you buy them?
No.
Ah.
That's a silly
Stupid question, wasn't it, really?
Yeah, mate.
And you've got bigger wheels and,
Yeah.
a nice new Zippy 2650
Yeah.
battery. So it should have the welly now. Well, I'm going to go. Do you know, Alex? I'm going to have a little yay.
Yay.
Chris?
Yay.
Got a yay?
Yeah.
We've got a bank of yays here, Charlie. Hey? Do you know why?
Yeah.
Because you've come in today with some new thumbs.
Yes.
I know you had a bit of an incident with your quadcopter, but that was a long way away. I know
Long way away, yeah.
You had some great flying before that, so
Yeah.
I reckon this is going to be good.
I still have charged my brain cells up.
Because it's just too. I know I've got a bit of a slating off one guy for throwing that, but if you pick it up and try and throw that from
It's
there,
impossible, isn't it?
it's just impossible to get it to go straight. I'll tell you that now. But it was a bad idea throwing it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A bad idea throwing that.
Yeah, it was-
this is the way to go. More power off the floor.
Yeah.
It's going to be great, and just get you up there, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Just until you go in and relax it then. Relax the elevator, Alex. Punch it. He's away. Oh, that's better, isn't it? Oh, hello, Charlie. Fuck.
I think the wing gave way.
Did it?
Yeah. Wing glue.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. I
Should
think
glue
it did.
sticks on it. I mean, it went over.
Oh no.
I think it did.
I swore as well.
Did you swear?
I sweared.
You better beat that out. Then.
I'll have to beat that out, won't
That wasn't too good, was it?
I? Alex, that's.
8.5 Alex.
What did he say?
He's gloating, I think.
Look at his face.
I know,
Look
he's
at him.
laughing, gloating.
Too good for me. I think that.
You reckon that wing give way,
it
do you?
did, yeah, I saw it.
Pilot ejected.
It hasn't got a spar. Oh, has it got a spar?
Yeah.
Oh, that's got a spar.
Yeah.
Wooden spar. Do you reckon it gave way on that bit there? That was where the glue was, wasn't it? Do you reckon there was a crack all the way through it then, do you?
Must have been, yeah. I saw it go when I
Did you?
turned it.
Did you?
I saw a bit. I saw it go.
Huh. So look at that bit of wing, Chris.
That was where it's glued one.
I think it was. Yeah, it was. There's a bit of glue on it still. Look.
Yeah.
It must have been a crack all the way through
folded,
then.
Yeah.
Or do you reckon it gave way on there?
No, it's
What are you going to do?
wing. I saw the wing go
What are
like
you going to do?
I'm going to laugh.
Yeah, fair dude. Yeah, fair play.
I'm not going to cry.
No. Oh, that was going like a bloody trooper, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do you want to see the face on it?
It went really
What?
well, didn't it?
It's not snarling anymore. Not snarling anymore, is it, Charlie? You even put the exhaust stacks on it as well. Look. Yeah.
That's the back of
I don't think you should buy another German plane.
No, they're crubbish.
You don't have, I don't think it's that they're crubbish. I just think there's your thumbs just won't allow you to fly a German plane.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is,
It
Alex.
started off with the first measure, Smith 109.
Yeah, your Mustangs were all right.
Mustang is perfect.
Well, no, actually. No,
no, they
weren't really, were they?
They weren't very good.
No. You weren't bothered until you saw your brand spanking new battery, were you?
I know. What's happened to that?
It's like his old ones now.
Everything you get hold of turns into a banana, doesn't it, at some point? Look at that. Oh, no, Charlie.
It's really plump, isn't it?
No.
Yeah. I'll be trying that in a bag, I think. I'll be
Get
staying.
your missus to hold it, Charlie. won't you?
Brand new, that was his first flight.
How long did it last? About
10 seconds.
what a... Immaculate again, Charlie. Yeah, love it. What a display. Yeah. What? Bloody hell, Charlie, what are you doing?
Sorry.
Bloody Nora. Very good, Charlie. Bloody hell. That was a tiny bit scary. A little bit. Oh, so you have a flyby? Wings and wheels flyby?
Okay,
One of your patented flybys. Here we go. Steady. Oh. Struth. Good. Bennett.
That was good, wasn't it?
That was great. I want a bit of that again, Charlie, if you wouldn't mind. Thank you. Look at the state of this. Oh. He has. I reckon he has. I know he's had a couple of instances today, but he's got the thumbs, hasn't he, today? Bloody hell, Anne, where are you, son? Bloody hell, how did you see that from there? That's flying great, isn't it? Better with a bit of throttle on, isn't it?
Yep.
No, you can't. They catch your prop, do it? Good. Oh no! Oh no! I don't know if that nose got you, I don't know. Might have been that rock hard nose. Very good, Andy. There's a bloke here flying a multi-road when he hasn't lost it. I lost me quad the other day, Charlie.
Oh, that's naughty, isn't it?
It's gone, yeah. All I've got left is, let me just show the good people of YouTube land. Let me just show the people what I've got left of my FPV quad. A lens cap. Oh well.
Oh no.
Message of the day: don't go FPVing on your own when there's a lot of trees about. So the other day, Charlie, you smashed your quad literally to pieces.
Yeah, I had a bit of a knock.
And I did say to you that when it smashed it up, you can have my old tricopter frame. Now this frame, given to me by Cressy, good old Cressy.
Yeah, good.
Brilliant old Cressy, isn't he? And I've used it, brilliant. So I've whacked the stuff you had on your quad on this, and set it up. Little bit more awkward than mine because of the motor mounts, but it was it's no problem at all. So
see what happens.
So self levels on, Okay, just take it nice and steady, Charlie. Just a bit of hovering. Now we're going to go today. You are not going to crash today.
Ever. Okay.
No, that's been stupid, but we're going to go a day without you crashing. Okay. I'm going to do everything in my power to stop you crashing. That might mean me flying your models and chucking you in the canal, but we'll have a look at it.
Just take the battery out of control.
That's it, yeah.
Well,
So-
still step on one.
I've had a bad few days.
Yes, you have. You've had some piles going on, but this is going to be all right. You've been all right. It's a nice bit of hovering, Charlie. Same controls, Charlie. Just keep the stick pointed at you. There you go. Look. They're just lovely the way they move, Alex. You'll find once you get used to that orientation, it's a lot easier because you just keep that back arm pointed at you for orientation, and you'll be great. I'll put smaller props on that, Alex. It's not going to be quite as hungry on the battery and things like that, but it's still got plenty of punch to it, you know. That's great, Alex. Well done. Great stuff. What do you think?
That's brilliant.
Yeah, look.
Absolutely.
Yes, Jeffro's back with us.
Hiya, fellas.
Jeffro is back. All right, Jeffrey.
Yes, okay,
How was that
mate.
Turnergy operation, mate? All right.
Yes.
Turnergy surgeon. Oh my God, he can't help himself, can he? He can't just hover it.
Go on, mate, you can do
Yeah,
it.
very good. Keep that's it. Stick. You might need a bit of correction on the ailerons, Alex, to straighten him up. This is good tack, Alex. This is good stuff. Bring it. They move lovely, don't they, Alex?
Yeah, lovely, eh?
They do.
And don't you think it's easier to orientate it?
You've got to be an idiot to crash you.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, honestly.
Well, the way that's set up, Alex, if that does have a bit of a dink, it's not going to be good. Because those motors just won't snap off like normal, because I couldn't do it with that. But Jeffro's here. Jeffro's back. Jeffro's back. Hey! The original crew is here.
Yes.
The original crew. Dink dank. This is a great bit of flying, Alex. Yeah.
Right, landed and put it away now.
No.
Do as you're told. He's going to do some stuff, I know he is.
No, you ain't going to do some stuff.
Not today.
No, not never. Not never.
Stick mate already.
No, not never.
You might get I'm thinking about doing.
What like? You can't do. What do you mean stuff?
I'm going to do a flip.
You can't do a flip. Oh no, he's off. Look.
Now I'm going to bring him back.
That's it, mate.
Tiny bit higher, just in case you get into trouble. That's it. That'll do you. Lovely.
Steady.
That's it. Bring him in. Tail round then. That's it. Keep it moving. That's
I like
it.
the way it's going now,
That's
yeah.
great, Alex. That.
Yeah, I did, Kev.
Look at this. Very good.
Well, keep it on.
Charlie, it's where it went
Keep it on
wrong
that
last time, mate. It's where it went wrong last time. Bring it in. Come on, Charlie. Charlie.
Man,
Yeah. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Now you've crashed it.
nearly.
See? Told you. Told you. You lose orientation, Charlie. Your brain just can't deal with
It
it.
does, switches off, doesn't it?
Yeah, it switches off.
amazing,
But I
that
think you
is.
got away with that. I think.
Can't do it, switch off.
Yeah. How you going, Andrew? All right. How you going, Andrew? All right. Yeah, good. Good. How's that beard working out for you? All right. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Got my 26cc today.
Good. Nice. That's good. Nice one.
I just got told off.
He just got told off because I built him a tricopter out of parts from that quad that he smashed the other day, and it took me hours to do it. He's had one flight.
You didn't have to.
No, I didn't have to do it. No,
No.
He's had one flight. He's broke the motor mount. He lost orientation, panicked. Chimp went into chimp mode. Brain went into chimp mode.
Off.
Off, in other
He
words.
was flying well, just.
He was.
Yeah,
I saw
yeah.
him track round and that.
Yeah.
But good flight though, Alex.
I was trying to bring him back. I
Good-
was on my
whoa.
last circuit.
Good flight. Yeah, I know. But like I said,
Hello. Well,
that's Charlie's little go. If Kev can get up and down without breaking a motor mount, he's probably the better aviator of the day, isn't he, Alex?
yeah.
It doesn't matter what you did in between. It doesn't matter. You know, if you're in a passenger jet and they take off and do loads of jollop, but you die, it's not going to be good, is it?
No, not good at
So
all.
you're looking for a successful flight.
That's right. Up, down.
I didn't think he'd stuff that, I must be honest.
No, I
I
didn't.
think I would just fly really well.
Very disappointed.
Yeah, are you, Jeff?
Yeah, I'm very, very disappointed. Yeah.
He's not angry, he's disappointed.
Disappointed. Yeah.
Sorry.
Well.
I am.
Okay.
Just to get him up and out of the way of the grass, Kev, and then a bit more. That's it.
Beautiful.
That's it. Just the little nibbles,
Spot
Kev.
on.
Little nibbles. That's it. Kaplop.
All right.
That's all right.
Which was forward. Is this one here?
No, that's throttle, mate.
Okay, that's forward then.
That's forward. That's it. What's forward?
I ain't got the
That's a bit
claw yet.
worrying.
Technical.
Okay, here we go. Give it a little blip to get him up and out the way, Kev, and then just little nibbles on. What are you trimming? No, you don't trim that, Kev. I wouldn't trim that. It's supposed to be leaning a bit, mate.
Is it? Okay.
Do you want me to take it up? Just see if it's straight?
Go on then.
Grab hold of that. Let me just take it up because it doesn't matter what.
God, ticking away over there, look.
That,
Yeah,
anyway.
it's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Too bad. No, it's not too bad actually. Staying pretty much there. It's just the tiny.
I don't.
Too bad, though.
Jesus, I don't reckon it's as good as mine. Jeff, I don't reckon it's as good as mine.
It is at the moment.
The battery's slow.
At the moment, it is. Yeah.
At the moment it is.
Hey, Andy was
There's another
quad.
one flipping about here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Going back quite fast.
That's it.
That's it. He's up.
Hang on, push forward a tiny bit, Kev. Back off the throttle. That's it, mate. Nice one. Nice one.
See, you got him.
That's it. You grab it with a bit of throttle, Kev. Got a lot of a lean going on, Charlie.
Yeah.
That's the best lean yet, isn't it?
Look at that.
Hang on, Kev. Don't let it get away, mate.
Where's he going?
Now you're the wrong way round now.
You.
What?
Bit of throttle. Now ease it down. Yeah.
Nice
Give you
one,
that.
Modem.
Give you that.
Well done, Kevo.
Give you that. Well rescued. Woohoo.
Very good.
Nicole.
He got there. He got it. Well
Pretty
done.
good.
It's all in when it does that. I'm gonna go FPV, Kev.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know. And you are.
Yeah, I've got some stuff coming.
Have you now? Ooh.
Leaving you behind,
Alex,
Alex.
you're miles behind, aren't you? What are you going to do?
I don't know.
You're going to buy some stuff, ain't you?
And quickly.
Yeah. We haven't lost it yet.
This camera
still
is
see
not
it.
as
We can
good.
see it.
It's not in a tree?
No, we're okay at the moment.
Going towards the trees.
Yeah.
That's a aim point, though, isn't it, the building?
That's it.
Pond over the farm. Alex said anywhere, Alex
He looks
said
at
it.
what's that?
Anywhere aim points.
Yeah. Nice and gently. Nice. That was a good landing. Good landing. Very good.
Don't like the camera.
Don't you?
No.
Oh.
Do not like that camera. It's just right, here we go. Jeffrey. Anyhow, Jeff, you'll be Rusty O'Rourke, wouldn't you?
Oh no, I will not.
Here we go. Okay. Yeah, he's got the Charlie warm up there. Saw that. Wallop. Jeff, it's like you've never been away. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, Jeff. That's it.
Too much.
Oh, that's tail heavy. He's gonna. Oh my God. Bloody hell. That seemed a bit tangy, Kev. Throw it. Not well. Okay. It's up and away, Z's. It's up and away. Where's Kevels? There he is. Bloody hell. Eek. That was quite close. Here's Jeff. Look. Oh, bloody hell. Hello, Jeff. Whoa. Kaplack. Hello. Nice one. Nice one, mate. Very nice. Right, Charlie. The German plane's back, but not really as we know it.
No. Look at that.
It's got a,
Looks good, that.
Lovely, isn't it?
got a moray tail.
Yeah, I did a fair bit to drink last night. And I got it this morning. I thought, what the hell's that?
What have I done?
Quite straight.
What have I done?
Yeah. Well, what I did concentrate on.
Yeah.
Because I got up in a stick last time.
For what for?
Everything was sort of out of alignment.
It was a bit, yeah.
So look at that.
Yeah. Okay.
Better than
Yeah,
normal.
it's better than nothing.
But nothing.
Better than nothing.
A bit of a loop and
If
a
I can get this up and down
Yeah.
and do some jollop,
Yeah.
can I fly you acro what?
No. No, you may not. That's that. Let's go. Let's go.
You might just
Let's go.
say yeah.
No. I might as well say no, Jeff. I've said it. No.
He's upset now.
Doesn't matter. I built him a tricopter.
Yeah, true. Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, I'm just waiting.
What are you doing?
I'm checking.
Chicken.
I'm going to compose myself. Ready?
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
Pathetic.
Well then.
I think it talked round, didn't
I
it?
think it did a bit.
I'll tell you what I didn't check. The motor's going the right way.
If I was a dog, I'd say crubbish.
Well then, Kevo.
Come on, Corky Ballington.
So he went,
I'll go upwards this time, Alex.
it talked that way, so I'm going to give it a bit of up and a bit of that.
Oh Christ! A bit of and a bit of that. You don't...
Ready?
Done the same.
Will you throw that effing thing in the bin? Christ Almighty, Charlie! It's just getting worse.
I spent 3 hours on it.
Why?
How many?
You know what it is, don't you, Jeff? All this time he spends it's to take his mind off the fact that he needs to buy stuff, isn't it?
I know that. You give him all you can.
Yeah, and more.
Well, and more.
I give my wife everything I can as well, Jeff. It's not generally enough.
No.
It's off. It's off.
You're a menace. What are you doing? You're not going again.
Gonna try an upwards launch, any?
What are you doing?
I'm going to try it upwards.
Oh, well, you've been watching too much Rupert and Darren, haven't you? It's just rubbish, Alex.
It is, yeah. That's definitely too much down, Alex, on that. Definitely.
No, you want to try?
It didn't go too good, did it?
No,
It was 3
it's
hours
rubbish.
last night.
Yeah, that's 3 hours you're not getting back, isn't it?
Yeah.
The 3 flights didn't even total 3 seconds flight time, Alex. That's absolute rubbish. Complete and utter rubbish. 1/5 scale.
It go for ages, the tank one.
1/5 scale. 26cc buggy. Yeah, he's not listening. Hello, what's going on? Punch it. Off the gas. Hello. Perfect. Perfect. Brilliant.
Yeah, marking up slow, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, you know that. Okay. Wallop. Sweet as a nut, Kev. Sweet as a effing nut.
That sounds nice. doesn't it?
Yeah, no. They're better than the Toros, I think. Oh, hello. Oh, technical. Not very successful today, technical.
Technical moments.
Turnergy lean, yeah.
Nice one,
Kevels.
Yeah, nice landing, Kevin.
Complete flight.
Complete flight. I'm having a no.
I'll have to now.
It's easy.
I'll go for it and no.
Hey. Jeff?
I'll go for a no.
No. Bloody hell, Alex. There's 4 no's on the Trojan. I'm going up with a fun cup at the same time. Yay or nays? Fun cups.
I'm going to go for a
Yeah.
I'm going to go for a nay. I'm going to go for a full cup. Big fat nay. And definitely yeah on that one.
Oh, yeah.
And I reckon I'm going to outfly you.
Oh, that's a challenge.
Outfly me?
Yeah, Mr. Baldy Pants.
Alex, pressure's on.
Yeah. I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
He's away. He's got it.
Right, here we go. Fun cups on.
Good boy. What's wet?
The ozone.
Lovely. Yeah, it is, mate.
Who's the best Jeff out of me and Mark? I'm going to do a pit spin,
Yeah.
hammerhead, inverted.
You told me you're going to do it,
There
Alex.
you go then.
Wait a minute. Oh, God.
There he is, he's doing it. Could have done it a bit closer. It looks all right.
I'm going to do the inverted.
Nice. I'll do. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah, this is it.
Oh, that's how to do it, Alex.
Your arm's good. Oof, it's a bit tangy.
hello.
It's a bit tangy. Oh, it's heading towards a post.
Oh dear me.
I think he fainted then.
Mind your back, Charlie, mind your back, mind your back.
Instead of doing it, Alex, just watch.
No, it's all veered off.
Well, yeah, but
It was the best thing, Kev.
Mark, I'm afraid. He had a nice low inverted 5Y.
He had to do it, didn't he?
Yeah.
I shouldn't have said I was going to do it, and I should have just done it. Then all you lot would be, oh, that's good, Charlie.
You didn't.
I didn't know. I thought
You weren't even do it, was you? You forgot about
well,
it.
about that, yeah. In fact, I just couldn't check. I've got the flaps down.
The flaps are still down.
Certainly up and about. Old wacko. It's been a good one, hasn't it, Kev, that? Yeah, oh, same with my python, mate. They're great bits of kit, aren't they?
Go on up.
Oh,
That's it. That's it. It's going high.
oh, hello. That's prop, Kev. Keep an eye on that prop, Alex.
Yeah.
Coming down, I'll keep an eye on the plane. Plap. He's got the prop. You need to, yeah, you're gonna have to be careful here, Kev. Cut a fair bit of height before you come in, mate. Drop it rapid so it's down on the floor, mate. That's it. Nice one. Nice one. Spot on, mate. Yeah, beautiful, Kev. Well done, mate. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Well done. You've done that. That's happened before, hasn't it? Is that the same plane?
Yeah.
It's happened before, isn't it? But we kept an eye on the prop this time. It fell straight down this time. I think the prop adapter came off. Oh, you didn't find that, Kev. Well, that's all right.
Jesus. Someone stabbed it or so. Did the shaft? Did it
It's-
come off?
Basically, go off, that's what it's done, yeah.
Look at that.
Gulp.
Technical moment. Come down now, so.
Yeah, good little rescue.
Good rescue, yeah.
They got play for landing.
Yeah, yeah.
Smash the smithereens.
Oh no, look at that, took a chunk out of it. I don't think that ripped the prop.
good the way it winds up, isn't it?
More of a punch, Alex, getting up in the way, that's him, that's him.
Super.
Oh, you've got that big beefy battery on it. Crikey. Very good, that's steady as a rock, Alex. Hey?
Yeah, look at that.
How's about that then, guys and girls?
Nothing stupid, just enjoy it.
Yeah, look, yeah, Alex, just
Jeff both in his hand.
just do it, yeah. If somebody said do some stuff, he couldn't help it.
I'm going to do some stuff because I'll end up smashing up.
Yeah,
Yeah, we know that.
I know, but Mark could get a day off again. He ain't got a lot left.
I know, you know what it is, Alex? I'm too tall for my hair. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is.
Can't you make a wig out of bits of Jeff's hair and his beard?
What sort of glue are you using though?
It's super glue.
So super glue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, probably could actually.
Come on now, open again.
Get the tail round. That's it. That's the way to do it, Charlie. Brilliant.
You're up with
Hey?
ZZs now.
Whoa, he's bypassed me. Whoa. I'm between.
you go.
ZZ's the top with the quads, I reckon, isn't he?
Oh, right.
Is he? Do you reckon?
I don't know.
Oh, he ain't done a flip though, has he, Charlie?
No, I
Yeah, yeah, but you're not on purpose.
No.
Doesn't really count then. Come on, Charlie, this is a great bit of tack, this is. I'm impressed with this. Step behind the line.
Brilliant here, you'll get
Yeah.
good reviews on it.
Yeah, you will, Charlie.
And don't fuck it up.
Is this your first try?
It's his first tricopter, yeah. Very, very good, Alex. Well, round of applause off Jeff.
There you go. I enjoyed
Brilliant,
that.
Alex.
That was brilliant, mate.
How's about that then? What do you reckon, Z's?
That was
Yeah,
ace.
it's good though.
Yeah, you even got that's good off ZZ.
Hey.
Ain't bad, is it?
No. I enjoyed
You've
that.
got a brain though, so you know.
In there somewhere.
Look at that battery.
Pushing it. That's
Now, people won't have seen this yet, but they will by the time we get to this
They'll
one.
go bloody
That was
mad
in
when
that.
they see
Let's,
that.
what was around that battery, Alex?
My German BF110.
Yeah.
My twin prop German plane.
Didn't go very well, did it?
I crashed it. Believe it or not.
The wing snapped off.
Yep. You see that's easy. I think you were there.
Yeah, he was
weren't you?
here. Yeah, that battery had a right.
Brand new battery.
Brand new. Never been. Clever.
Look at the state of it.
Yeah, you got to feel a bit sorry for him because he buys
yeah.
2 batteries a year, if that. And if
you're
that.
lucky.
And look at it. That is a bit unlucky.
That's his maiden flight.
Yeah, it was.
Your wrist when I took that, Kev. You've been in hospital
was
now.
good.
Yeah, I know. It was a good old crunch. It was a bloody good crunch, I'll tell you.
I got bad feelings about my Messerschmitt today.
Oh,
Yeah.